welcome back. Today we are going to do another great dehydrating video. Today's video is zucchini bread. And I would like to thank Hawkeye Hikes for the suggestion of making zucchini bread and dehydrating it. I'm sure this is going to turn out terrific. Zucchini bread's one of our favorites.
Yes, and this is a little different for us because this is made with the white zucchini rather than the standard green zucchini.
Yeah, a friend of mine gave me a bunch of white zucchini, so we've just been making all kinds of things with it.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
So, let's get...
So, I just use a basic recipe for my zucchini bread. It's basically just self-rising flour, eggs, sugar, zucchini, a little bit of cinnamon. Just simple everyday things that you have in your normal pantry. So, nothing special, nothing out of the ordinary. I don't put nuts in mine. And the reason I don't is because I've got a lot of friends that are allergic to nuts. So, this way we can share with everyone.
Yep.
I've had some special requests for nuts, and every now and then I put nuts in it, but rarely. What is your favorite bread, honey?
That you make?
Yeah.
Probably the zucchini.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, the berry bread's good, but your zucchini generally is really good.
I like my apple bread.
Your apple bread's good with ice cream. If you may put ice cream with your, like, vanilla bean ice cream with it, then your apple bread probably is the winner.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So, as you can see, just put them on there. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, I do not suggest icing, but a, like, sugar glaze, something thin and clear, it would work well on this with dehydrating. The full-blown icing probably won't work very well.
And all you got to do if you want to do a glaze like that is a little bit of powdered sugar, a tiny bit of milk, and a little bit of vanilla.
Yep.
That's all you need to make it. But we generally don't put any icing on ours because it gets a little bit messy in the bag, I would think.
Yeah, and realistically, this is bad enough for us.
Yeah.
We don't really eat bread that often, so this is like desserts for us.
Oh, yeah.
So, we'll get the rest of this cut up and put it on and get back with you and let you know how long it takes. Hopefully, I don't eat it all before then. You
better not eat it all. They want to see what it's like in the end.
Alright, so we'll let you know how long it takes to dehydrate in our dehydrator. Obviously, all dehydrators are different. So...
And another note, you don't have to put parchment paper on it.
Yep, no parchment paper.
It'll dehydrate faster if you don't.
And keep it away from your husband.
Yes. We'll be back in a little while. Alright, so we're back. And our bread is finished.
Yep, it took about 7 hours. It was really moist bread. Had we have left it out for like 4 or 5 hours on the counter, it probably would have helped it. But yeah, it's pretty dense though. And you know it's done because it'll do this. See that snap?
Smells awesome. And you can use any zucchini bread recipe that you choose. You don't have to use, one like I use. You don't have to use white zucchini. You can use regular zucchini. Make it your own.
You can throw this in your oatmeal, or you can
eat it with your coffee of the morning.
Yeah, I like dipping it in coffee. Another thing you can do is, some people like the bread pudding kind of stuff, so you can technically try to like rehydrate some of this in a bag a little bit and eat it like a bread pudding with a spoon. But
that is really good.
The zucchini really comes out even more when it's dehydrated. This is definitely one of them snacks, though. It's going to sit heavy on your belly. So these are actually good. They're kind of heavy in the aspect of things, but it's more filling. So.
And Hawkeye, you're going to have to make you some and try it because it is awesome.
Yep. So
we're going to get the rest of this trayed up. And we'll see you guys in the next video.